Leeches are no longer used for bloodletting to get the body's so-called humors in balance, but they are still a valuable medical tool. Surgeons use them to reduce swelling and prevent blood clotting in some reconstructive microsurgeries, such as reattaching severed fingers. The anticoagulant hirudin is just one of the 300 different substances a leech introduces into the bloodstream of its host.
One of the substances secreted by the leech induces the production of happiness hormones, or endorphins. This was observed a very long time ago when a horse came out of a pond covered in leeches. It began to calm down. They calmed him down.
Biogen Laboratory has been breeding leeches during the past 20 years and is the only certified company to do so in Poland. In addition to medical facilities, it also sells leeches to sports clubs.
They order leeches on an ongoing basis and attach them to their athletes, not only to improve their efficiency, but also to help regenerate muscles after intense exercise.
Biogen breeds 3 species of leeches, which is not an easy task. The worms, which are hermaphrodites, are very picky about the conditions under which they'll reproduce. Young leeches hatch from cocoons after about 3 weeks. They look and behave like adults. They don't change much, they just get bigger. Biogen exports around 400,000 leeches annually across Europe, as well as to the United States, Canada, and several Middle Eastern countries. I'm Faith Lapidus, VOA News.